Hello and welcome to our Vortex Getting Started demo. First thing we'll look at is software dependencies. You need to have a JDK version 6 minimum or JDK version 7 if you'd like to run the shapes demo. Also optional is Apache Maven 3.0.x, only if you're going to use this as your build system. That's what I'll be doing in the demo today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cd into the desktop folder, and you can see my vortex platform.run file. I'm going to do a chmod +x on that, and then I'm going to double click on it so I can run it. And hit next, and I'm going to agree to the end user licensing agreement. Now I'm going to install this in another directory, vortex_v2. And now I'm going to click next, and it's going to ask me to obtain a license, and I will say yes, I would like to install my license. It's on the desktop, you can see it. Vortex any_2016.ADLINK. And now we're ready to install. What I'll do is I'll run my release script for Vortex, which will set up all my paths. Now I'm going to go into my Vortex directory, which we've installed it into the device, and I'm going to go into the Vortex Cafe directory. I'm going to do an ls just to see where I am, and then I'm going to go into the Apache Maven directory. I did a cat readme file so you can see, but all we have to do is run maven-f and then on the Vortex installation pom. And that will install that pom in our local Maven repository. Now that we've got that ready, I'll go into the examples directory, into the round trip directory, the example we're going to run. And I'm going to cat the readme file again. You can see that all you have to do is to install is run maven package. And this will once again install that example file in the Maven repository. And I'm going to do a java-jar target ping.jar later on, and that will actually run the example. And you can see that we have a build success. So now I'm going to go into the upper terminal window, and I've already run the release script, so I'm going to go into the Vortex directory. This time, however, I'll be going into the Vortex Web directory. So I'll go into Device, Vortex Web. Once again, I'm going to go into the Apache Maven subdirectory. I'm going to install the pom file in our local Maven repository, maven-f vortexweb-installation.pom. And we have a build success, so that's good. Next thing I'm going to do is going to back out. We're going to go into the examples directory. I'm going to go into the round trip example once again. And I'm going to cat the readme file so we can see what we're supposed to do. Maven clean install will install this example into our local repository. So I'm going to go do that. First, before I run the Maven clean install, however, I'm going to increase the amount of memory available to Maven. Export Maven ops, and then I'm going to tell it to give it 512 megs of memory. So what I'll do now is the Maven clean install, as recommended by the readme file. And we have a build success. So I'll cat the readme file once more in order to figure out how to run the play server. It's maven play2:run. Now scan for projects, it'll start up the server, and you can see the server process ID. and we're all ready to go with the Vortex Web round trip example. Now I'm going to go into my Vortex Cafe terminal. I'm going to cat the README file again. And what we're going to do is we're going to run the example here with the Java jar target ping.jar. And I'm going to run that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is open up a web browser so we can see the pings and the pongs going back and forth. I'm going to go to the local host 127.0.0.1 9000 to pong. What I'm going to do is hit connect. And now that I've hit the connect button, you can see samples flowing from Vortex Cafe to Vortex Web and back. Thanks for watching our video on getting Vortex installed and some of the examples running.